Sanibonani ngiyabona abaningi bahlezi bangibiza la ngama-video kaThamara. Simphiwe umbono wakho uthini ngalama-video wakaThamara? What's your take? So ngeke ngathi awuthi ngimfonela uThamara ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Wenzeni ngaka? Ngawafuna phela ama-video wakhe. Ngawamamela. Hayi, usisi uyagadla impela. Kodwa ngizele nami bakwethu. Nami ngiphuma emshadweni. Nami ngiyathandana. Yes. Ama-video wakaThamara ayangigadla nami. Fully. Ngisithola nje senguCinderella somewhere. But ngithe awuthi ngiwamamela ngomqondo okufuna ukufunda. Ngingazifaki esimeni. Kuneqiniso eliningi kulama-video wakhe. Inkinga thina sometimes siyathanda ukuba uCinderella and simamela ngenhliziyo izinto. And enye into ama-follower wakaThamara awakwazi ukuqoqa amagama akhulume kahle, anenhlamba. Yile nto yenza ukuthi uThamara kubuye ngathi umuntu omubi or ukhuluma izinto ezingekho right. But usisi unama very very valid points. And if sabantu besifazana sifuna ukufunda ukuthi abantu besilisa badlala ngathi khona ezinye izinto ongamelanga sizenze, walalele lama-video ungazifaki esicathulweni sawo. uThamara uthi abantu besifazana abanengana abanaveli. Yebo phela. Indlela abeke ngayo akuyona indlela right, enenhlonipho. I think inkinga yakaThamara yi-manner of approach. She does not know how to use words, but she has very very important views and points. Mhlampe mangayibeka ngalendlela lena inhlonipho ngaphakathi ukuthi kunzima ukushada amasonengane. Lelo iqiniso singafuni ukulibale singeke silibalekele. Hayi ukuthi uyaluza ivelu, cha. Uyibeke kabi ke nje lapho. Kodwa ukushada njengomuntu wesifazane sowuzele akukho lula. Right? Ngicela leyo siyithathe nje ngeqiniso lelo ukuthi even finding love when you have kids, it's not easy. Introducing people to your kids, it's not easy. And introducing your kids to a new family, it's not easy. They can't receive them the way you would want them to receive them. Asiyeke ni culture, i-tradition ngaphakathi le ayibekile uThamara. Sibeke nje ngamehlo lawa esifuna ukuwabona ngawo thina. Ngizele nami. And iqiniso lisekutheni it's not easy. But uThamara did not expand on that, which makes people angry. Because isimo awusikhethi ukuthi wena ufuna uba nengane ungashadile, ufuna ukukhulisa ingane ngaphandle komshado, or ufuna ukuhamba uzala ibongo different or kanjani. Akekho umuntu ongavuka namhlanje akhethe ukuba kuleso simo. Mina abantu besifazane engibaziyo, umshado into abayijabulelayo kakhulu. Settling down, it's most of the women's dreams. And you don't plan to be a single parent. You don't plan ukuthi tomorrow you're going to be co-parenting. Ngiyabona lesishadile 3 days twang ibone strati sagcwala kanje. But here we are co-parenting. Ikusasa laziwa. Yes. And akusilona i-plan or icebo lethu ukuthi sifike kulesimo lesesikusona njenganamhlanje. And I don't think women want to raise their kids without their fathers. Yes, but masubhekane nesimo, yes, kumele usi-embrace, ujabule kusona. So I think we did not receive that video properly because of how she puts her words. Yeah, amagama wakhe akakwazi ukuwaqoqa ukuthi omunye umuntu awareceive kahle. Uyakhuluma kuphela. She's very valid points, this girl. She once spoke about, what's that video about? Bengikumbula before I started this video. And it made so much sense what she said. But just how she said it just turned me off. You know? So I think ngicela nimameleni ngale ngendlela different ayingenhliziyo guys. Or nje i-content yakhe manje ngayithandi ni scroll nindlule kuyo because akakwazi kwabeka yena shema amagama udadewethu. But mase sithatha sibhekisisa kahle, ngeke silingane nabantu besilisa, ngeke. Hence at this point, men with 5 kids from different mothers, you women still see value in them and still marry them and still settle down with them when you have no child. Nayibona lento yenzeka kaShembe, umuntu unengane eziwu-8 usashadile namakhosikazi wakhona amanye akakho structured, but still you women still go and marry this person. You still see him as a wow. But if it's the woman in that situation, they are painted as old, as uzele, as what. It's the society. Unfortunately, that's the black society that we have been growing in. And lenta ikhulumayo uThamara yinto vele kudala ikhona yenzeka noma singazama ukuyibalekela siyenzeni. Hence mina I'm here to preach to you guys self-love. Go educate yourself, get your own bag so that you see value in you even if you have kids, and raise your kids and have choices in choosing a man. Because we are settling for these nonsensical men because we have nothing to put on the table. And we receive such insults. Uthi uzele, you are nothing. Because you have nothing to bring to the table except the kids from different fathers. Buyelani esikoleni mantasi. Degree. Business. I don't know. So that when you see such content, you awukubeki. Njengamso. I'm shaking down content yakaThamara because I am a whole, fully developed woman. I will have kids with different fathers until I get to the love of my life. Yes. Ingane phela ngiyayifuna. Ukuthi ngihlangane nendoda errong akusiyona inkinga yami leyo. Angilona icala benginethemba ukuthi uzolunga. That's why ngiya esikoleni ukuthi ngikwazi ukwendla ingane zami. That's why bona laba abakhomentayo kwi-content yakaThamara still ask women with kids out and come here and support Thamara. Kanti nithi labantu abanabantwana bajola nabo bani? Ne understand ukuthi nikwatela into engekho. Leave these people alone. You know where you stand. Don't be shaken.
Senkezweni